Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your laptop or computer desktop aesthetic with this pink theme wallpaper. So here I'm going to use Canva to create the wallpaper. So let's just start by opening the canva.com, and then here I'm going to just use a template. I'm going to use a desktop wallpaper as the keyword. Let's find the templates in here. This one's right here. And then you can just scroll down to explore and see the right wallpaper for you. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, but this is super. Let's find the free. Okay, this one's right here. Let's use this one. Click on customize this template. So I'm going to change the color of that template into pink. Okay, so this is the template. I'm going to change the photo first. Let's go find other photos. So I'm going to just search for soft pink as the keyword. Click on enter, and then choose photos. Then you can just choose the photo for your wallpaper. Okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. And then this one. Let's drag it up here. I think I'm going to replace it with this one and add this to here. Okay, now let's find another photo for this one at the bottom. Let's use this ones right here. Drag it to the frame. Now I'm going to change the color of the background into a soft pink color. Let's try to find one. I'm going to just choose the color from the photo in here. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to use this colors. Now you can change the date. Here I'm going to go with November. Okay, you can change the date to the real date, but I'm going to just leave it as it is for now. Here you can just now tap on share, click on download, and then here tap on download again. Wait for the wallpaper to be downloaded. Okay, so now the download is complete. You can just open it in the gallery, so in your library, or let's just go to the desktop and change it directly for that. From there, here I'm going to click on personalize. So you can just right click on the desktop and then change the background. Click on backgrounds in here, and then here I'm going to choose picture, browse photos, choose the photo that you just saved before. Click on choose picture. Now here choose the fit. Now you can click on the or change also the color. Go to personalization and tap on colors in here and also choose the color. For example, here I'm going to choose a pink color. You can just, I'm going to just click on custom colors in here and go with pink in here. Here you can just enable the accent color and also for the start and taskbar, just like this. And I'm going to turn on the transparency effects. So now your desktop will look like this. So this is how you can create a pink theme aesthetic wallpaper for your desktop. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.